Hi, this is Dan with InSite Software. Elevation Pro has been designed to streamline the takeoff process, and an investment in training is the fastest way to realize all the time-saving benefits and maximize productivity. The first step is for all users to take the 1-hour introductory course, Elevation 101. This class will teach the basic skills needed to get up and running in Elevation Pro. Elevation 101 is then followed by Elevation 102 and 103. These classes build on the foundations established in 101, show you how to get results, and introduce more advanced techniques. These classes are included in your subscription and are available to your entire team at no additional charge. Sign up is easy. Just select Training from the Help menu and select a date under the class you wish to sign up for. The InSite Elevation Pro user manual is always available, even offline. It's a PDF, so it can be printed. It has a table of contents that is hyperlinked. Under each lesson, there is a breakdown of topics covered in that lesson. Select Lessons to return to the table of contents. You can also select Index to search for a topic in alphabetical order. Each lesson has a corresponding video that can be found by selecting Option 2 under the Help menu. Sign up for the Elevation Pro newsletter to stay up to date on new features, receive time-saving tips, and other critical information. Visit InSiteSoftware.com for details on contacting our support team.